Hey guys, once again welcome back in a video series of C programming by TechBooster. So guys, here in this video we'll learn about union in C programming. Union is quite similar with our structure. Like in a previous video we have learned what is structure and how to use it. Just like by using structure you can create your own data type. Similarly, by using your union you can create your own data type. Then what is the difference between your structure and union? So here you can see, just like structure points to different memory location for different variables, union will point to a fixed memory location irrespective of number of variables. Like in our structure, if we have 3 or 4 members, or if we have 3 or 4 other variables with different data types, in that case all of our variables will point to different memory location and will hold memory according to their data type. But here in case of your union, irrespective of number of members or number of variables you consider within your union, your memory will only be reserved for one variable and your memory will be the size of the maximum data type. Like in your union, suppose you have considered 3 different data types, int, float and character. In that case, the maximum size of the data type will be the size of a particular union. I'll show you this one, don't worry, don't be confused. But before that, let us move forward and check out. Here you can see memory of data type created using union is the maximum memory holds by a variable it holds. That is what I've said you just now. Now let me show you the syntax. Your syntax is quite similar with your structure. Here just you need to use the keyword union in place of struct. You need to use the keyword union and then you need to name your data type. You can use any name and then within this curly bracket you can include all your members with their respective data type. So this is the syntax which is quite similar with our structure. And what I will say, in most of the cases you won't be using this union. In maximum cases we will be using structure. Union, as per my opinion, is not that important, but as we have this in our syllabus, there is a reason I'm covering. But in your case, I suggest you to go with structure. Just you need to know what is union. Now here you can see, this will give you very clear idea. Here I have created the variable s1 of data type student, which I have created by struct method. And here these are my 3 members, roll number, percentage and your string. So here my roll number is 101, which is your integer. My percentage is 78.8, which is my float. And this is my name, which is nothing but combination of characters. So as I have told you, here your int will basically hold 4 byte as per my architecture, as per my compiler. In your case, like if you are using Turbo C, in that case, your int will hold 2 byte. Then your float will hold 4 byte. And your character here in this case, as I have 5 characters here, so my size will be 5. So here you can see for each and every variable we have different memory locations and these are the address of this memory location. But whenever you use your union, this is my variable which is of data type student created by the union method, and these are my members like roll number, percentage and my name. So I've considered same member, but these are of type union and these are of type structure. So here you can see I have a single memory location and this is the address. I have a single memory location. All of my variables or members will point to this particular memory location. All of my members will point to this particular memory location, and the size of this memory will be the maximum size of the member this particular union is holding. Like here in this case, size of int is 4, size of float is 4, whereas size of this particular string is 5. So the size of this memory location will be 5. Now you may be confused, like in a single memory location, how will you hold multiple values? So I will show you this one in my code block. So this is my code block. So here we will start by our header file. So let me include stdio.h. Then also let me include string.h. Okay, now here we'll use our union keyword and then let me name it as student. Okay, so this is my student. Now here you need to consider your members. Let me consider the roll number, let me consider percentage, and let me consider name, and let the size of this array be 20. That is, this particular string can hold 20 characters. So here in this case you can see your roll number will be of size 4 byte, percentage will be of 4 byte, but this name will be of size 20 byte. So accordingly this particular data type student should be of size 20 byte. I'll show you this one. So here first of all let us start with our main function. Okay, so you need to start with your union keyword, then the name of your data type student, and then you need to name a variable as we have seen in our structure video. So this s1 is my variable. Now in order to include your members, or in order to call your members, you need to name this variable, and then you need to use this dot operator, member operator, and you can see once you press this dot you will have all your members. So first of all let me include roll number. Okay, so here in this case I cannot use space is not allowed. Roll number equals to like 100, then your s1 dot percentage is equals to 85.5, and here I will use the strcpy s1 dot name comma, and let it be your like Manoj. Okay, so I am done. Now here in this case if you want to print all this data, so we'll use our printf function. Printf roll number is percentage d comma s1 dot roll number. Okay, so let me just copy this particular line, paste it here, and also paste it here. So we just need to replace this roll number with percentage. Percentage is percentage f, and then this one will be your s1 dot percentage, and then again we need to consider name. So this one will be your s1 dot name, this one will be your percentage s, your format specifier, and this one will be your name is. Okay, so now once you run this particular program, let me use return 0. So now once you run this particular program, what we are doing, basically first of all we are storing this roll number in a particular memory location, then we are storing percentage in same memory location, and then again we are storing name in that particular memory location, because here what we are doing, we are creating this data type using union method, and in our union will have only single memory location. So once we use a single memory location, every time we put a data in the particular memory location, our previous data will be updated. Like first of all in this memory location we will have 100, then once we place percentage, this 100 will be updated to 85.5, then again once we place Manoj in this memory location, this 85.5 will be updated. So finally here I should get Manoj in my memory location. So once you run this one, you can see, once I run, you can see this is my output. Okay, I need to use /n here for a new line, /n again /n. Now again let me run this one, and once you run, you can see here roll number is, this is a garbage value. Here I have used 100, but this is a garbage value. Percentage is again a garbage value, but name is Manoj. This is correct. Here in this case, this particular line is giving me exact answer that I am like looking out for, but these two things are not working fine. Here I am getting garbage value. Similarly, if I like remove this line and if I use it here in this case, now I should get this percentage as my proper answer, and this roll number and name will not give me my exact output. So let me close this one and run again for you. Now here in this case, you can see this is my garbage value, this is my exact output which I was looking out for, and name is blank. So this is what I mean to say, that we'll be having a single memory location. Now if you want to check out the size of this particular variable s1, we can use our data type, we can use this same function printf, then size. Now here, before I run this particular program, as I've told you, here the maximum memory is being held by my string, and here the size of this particular string is 20 byte. So overall the size of this particular variable s1, which is of data type student, will be 20 byte. So let me run this one, and here you can see size is 20. Size is 20 because this is the maximum size. So here in this case, if I replace it by 2, and if I change my name to be only MD, and now if I run this particular program, in this case my size will be 4, because here integer or float will hold maximum memory size. So once you run this one, you can see here size is 4. So guys, this is our union, and I hope your union is clear. Now as per your requirement, you can use this one, but union is normally used in simple programs. In all other cases, I'll suggest you to go with structure. So guys, now it's your turn. You can practice this one once from your end, and then you can move forward towards our next video. So we'll see you in our next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.